abusing the title and office of president in undertaking dubious presidential branded projects. Zadamena mashoko projects ese akaita nakuda kwa Tagwirei akanga ari corrupt. Panguva ino obuda panguva ino achiexposewa a top secret document iri kuonekwa kunzi iri kuexposa corruption yose akaita nakuda kwa Tagwirei. Zadamena mashoko ekusaiza power kwakaita nakuda kwa Tagwirei panguva ino chikwata chese chibuda the person ava mucentral committee ava kuda ku fightira for presidents. Inobo subscribe like out on the bell like kuti ipina panapa namubuda nekwamtsenzi kuda kwa Tagwirei and his criminal cartel have been abusing the title and office of the president in undertaking dubious presidential branded projects aimed at grant looting of state resources. These ill-gotten gains are now being used to capture the state, ZANU-PF, and undermine the constitution and the people of Zimbabwe. Some of these schemes include presidential input scheme, presidential borehole drilling scheme, presidential rural goat pass on scheme, presidential blitz tick grease scheme, presidential cotton scheme, presidential rural horticulture scheme, presidential community fisheries scheme, presidential rural poultry scheme, presidential game protectant scheme, presidential fertilizer subsidy scheme, presidential housing scheme, presidential youth empowerment scheme, presidential heifer person scheme, presidential solar scheme, presidential internet scheme. Maschemes ese aitiwa nakuda kwa Tagwirei under the name and the office of the president. Panguva ino toona kuti corruption inana Tagwirei yakanyanyisa. And the last part, point 2.7, irudanywa chinzi Zimbabwe e-passport and border management system, stealing directly from poor Zimbabweans. Zimbabwe's e-passport and border management system was introduced in 2021 and marketed as a modernization effort to improve efficiency and security. Subsequently, kuda kwa Tagwirei and his criminal syndicate hijacked this initiative, using it to extract money directly from desperate citizens struggling to obtain passports, thereby converting a national security project into yet another channel of personal enrichment. Ndomashikwaruda panguva ino arikuonekwa kunzi aiwa this document raexpose zvakawanda. Mbotidza mafungiro enyu mukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wapinda comment section medu za mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.